Hey, what's up? Richard with PDR Talk. Today we are reviewing the VIP 2.0 all metal knockdown. So let's take a look. This is my new favorite knockdown. It's amazing. But what's different between the 2.0 and Peter's first release, this one right here? Well, you can see it's got the same beautifully polished, perfect radius tip right there. That's hardened stainless steel. It's not going to scratch the car. I've never seen this thing get any kind of scuffs or chips in it, so I'm never scuffing paint. The new one's a little bit wider. It's got angled hex head, so it's not going to roll off the car. You've got a larger striking pad, so you're going to have more accurate strikes when you're hitting the top here. And then you've also got two magnets, so it's not going to roll off the car if you're working on a steel car. Just beautiful, beautiful knockdown. Comes in 3 colors: anodized red, green, and blue. If you don't have a metal knockdown, you gotta get one. It will become your go-to knockdown, I swear. Especially when you're working on real sharp pinpoint high spots, or if you're working on a rail, you're glue pulling, big deep dent, you pull it out, you've got that deep pit, you've got to relieve the pressure on the outside ring. Metal knockdown is perfect for that, and this is the one to get. So check out VIP PDR Tool.com. I think they're $40, $45. Highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.